Guys, now we will be seeing the demo of our WhatsApp application. So now here we can see that we have two sign in and sign out option. First of all, we can either sign in using email, or we can also sign up using email with this window. And if we already have an account, it will bring back us to our forget password window. Here we can also enter with our phone number. So here I'm going to type my phone number. Okay, after this it will automatically verify everything. Okay, so here you can see that we have status of different kinds of people. Okay, we don't have request up till now. Here we also have a person who was online on 0808 p.m. Today. Okay, so this is how our chat and requests goes. Now let me log out from this, and by clicking on the options we can also log out. Now here I can also create a new account using the email, that is I can create a account as ABCD, and I can click on sign up. So here you can see when we sign up we can type here our username, and we can also type here our and here if it will shows us a message continuously that you have to, it's very important to update your profile. And here also I can also put an profile image. Okay, I can also put some profile images here. I can put on some images. Okay, after this I can also update my account. Now here in the settings I can see my profile picture and the status. When I click on update I will move back to my WhatsApp main activity. Now let us log out, and here I have already created a account with my email ID, so I'm going to log on it. Okay, after logging in, okay, you can see that we can see different kind of people status. I have also uploaded mine status. Okay, after this let us go to requests. Okay, and here we can also put some requests, or we can put some things here. Now I want to uh, post this so status, so here the story has been updated. Now here you can see that I have put a chat screenshot here. Okay, let us now here let us move to request, and we can also send people requests here by using this float button where we can find a friends. Similarly here in the chat options as well, you can see this button from where we can find friends. So I am going to, we can actually send someone ID, send request, and we can also cancel it. For now I am going to send. So as this is my account, so I won't be able to see any send message or something. So here I am going to uh, send message request or chat request to everyone. So here you can see that we have given chat request to people. Now one of the people have already accepted our chat request, so let us click on this, and I have already chatted with this person right now. So here you can see, hey, how are you doing? We have image views, we have documents. Now when we click on this image view, I can see this images. When I click on this download view, download the, so here I can also view the PDF. Okay, and after this we can also type here, hey. I can also in front of you I can put an image here. Okay, so it is sending a file. So here I have sent him a screenshot. Okay, so here also as you can see we have previously talked, and here as well I can put a PDF file, and this person in front of me is also sending one. So click on this download and view option, and similarly if we are downloading the view option, we can see it, and I can type here is the image. And also if you want to remove this account, if you don't want to talk to the person anymore, you can click on this. Here you can click on remove this account button. Okay, and here as I have already uploaded the status and told you, here is the requests that have been pending. So this is our WhatsApp account, and here let us and here also let me show you the MS Word activity sending file. So here I have sent the image activity and the MS Word activity, and here he's saying here I can remove this contact. Okay, and after removing the contact, let us go here, and in the request section we can also send the request again. Okay, in the request section, as you can see, we have already removed the person, and we have sent the request again. Okay, so if the person wants to accept it, they can, and if they don't, they can't. Okay, so let us go to chats now. Here here the person has sent us a request after canceling ours. So here you can see contact added successfully. So now the contact has been added successfully, and the good thing is we don't remove the chats you have done before this, so they are going to be preserved even if after you remove the contact and add them again. Okay, so this is our chat, this is all about our chats. Now let us log out from this and let us explore more about forget password button. So here I am going to type my email ID, and suppose if I forget my password, so I can click on this forget password, and here we can receive a link in our mail. So we can see you have received a reset link in your mail. So let us go to our mail, that is our Gmail, and here you will see no reply, that is reset your password for this project. When I click on this link, in the link I will see here, I will type my new password here, and after this I will click on this save. Okay, so now let us go back to our this activity, and here I am going to type new password that I have set. Click on login. So here I have logged in successfully, and I can also update in my Google this password, and here I can type, I can start chatting again. Okay, so this was our whole WhatsApp application, where you can find friends, you can add status requests, and you can also change your settings. Okay, so let us, so this was a whole chat application. Hope you will be impressed with this.